Mutable or immutable? When we say something is mutable, it means its content can be changed after it's created. Think of it like a whiteboard, where you can write, erase, and rewrite as much as you want. The same thing is with variable or object. For example, you can change the value of the variable or object like map, where you can add or update its values whenever you want. But what about immutability? Well, once the object is immutable, it cannot be changed after it's created. It is like chiseling something in stone. Once it is there, it's permanent. In code, you define variable as constant and assign its value only one time, or you create immutable map instead of regular map, where you won't be able to change its content after you added the items. So why does this matter? Immutable objects are simpler to work with, test, and scales very well in distributed environment. They can help prevent bugs and make your code safer, because you are not accidentally modifying something you didn't mean to. For example, when you're applying a discount to a product in user's cart, you definitely wouldn't want to change the price of the original product, but instead create a new product with discount applied. However, mutable objects aren't all that bad. They can sometimes be more efficient in terms of memory and performance. As an example, when reading a large file, you would prefer to use the same variable to store its content and reuse over and over again, rather than creating a new object each time. Like most things in coding, it's all about choosing the right tool for the job. It depends on the problem and its requirements. So remember, when you're deciding between mutable and immutable, consider your use cases and weigh the pros and the cons. Don't let your data run wild and keep your state in check.